Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Baby Rose. Today, I'm going to be cooking a barbecue bonanza. I'm going to be making pork ribs, pulled pork, bacon wrapped potatoes, corn, and coleslaw. It's really going to be a huge feast. Also, check out my little mic and some lighting, because I am really trying to, get the bag. It's my mom's birthday on the weekend, and we have rented a cabin up in Pemberton so that we can do some hiking, some horseback riding, yada yada yada. Basically, everyone is responsible for a different meal each night. So I have tomorrow nights. That's why I'm gonna prep it all here, which I'm kind of lucky about. And randomly, I literally don't know why, I just decided I'm gonna do pulled pork and ribs. I have never cooked that, so this is gonna be an experiment. Shall we? Okay, so I'm using Yukon yellow potatoes. I don't know why I was not thinking at the grocery store, but usually it works best with the really small ones. And these are genuinely GMO massive. I picked out all the smallest ones. Seems like a lot, 2 potatoes for everyone. So let's pop these in the oven. I just realized that I forgot to salt them and everything before putting them in, but whatever. So I guess while that's going on, I gotta get the crock pot. Whew, okay, so I'm literally just, no recipe, no nothing. I'm not an instruction reader, I'm not a recipe reader. I just am okay, what does pulled pork taste like? These are probably the things in it. Here it is. That looks good. Oh my God, look at all the meat that I have. Okay, LOL that I used to be a vegan. I also don't know how to cook ribs, so everything is really experimental at this moment. So this is kind of my idea. I'm gonna do onion, garlic, some chili powder, some paprika, a little bit of this stuff. I know I'm kind of cheating using this, and it's so bad for you. This is so bad for you. I almost never, ever, ever have this, ever. But I am cooking for a group of people, so you always need things to taste really good. So I'm gonna cheat and use this. It's a one-time thing, fuck it, whatever, but literally the first ingredient is sugar. That's fucked up. What do we think about putting a jalapeno in it? Why not? I really hope this works out. I am not a take my time cooking. I am get it in the pot as quick as it can go, cook it on high, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm just not a patient person, which is fine. Everyone has their own shit, but I am dude, we gotta get it, just do it. And it always works, I find people overthink most things. I've never thought about any decision I've ever made in my life. I also hate cutting garlic. Ugh, garlic literally sucks. Here's some garlic. Boom. Okay, a little bit of jalapeno because I'm cooking for British guy, and you know how them Brits are. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Nothing in this world has to be perfect. You put enough salt, you put a little sugar in something, it's gonna taste good. Good old barbecue. Okay, mix that around. Whew. I'm a big fan of butter, guys. I just love butter. Okay, this is kind of fucked up, but after you've chopped onions and garlic, you take the butter on the knife. Garlic butter. It's really good. Big hunk of butter here. Whatever, when it all pulls apart, oh my God. Mixed into that butter. Y'all are gonna be laughing. I don't even know if I meant to sear this before. I'm not going to. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, tenderize it, I guess. I don't know. What even is this? This might change your mind about me, but I am, a part of me thinks salmonella and all that shit comes from rice and mayo. I honestly don't think that, raw chicken, raw meat, all that stuff is that big of a deal. I don't know. None of this makes sense, but I'm just not, I don't really, raw meat is not a biohazard to me. Again, do not judge me on my salt, okay? It was the cheapest one. Fuck it. Oh, it's a lot of salt. A little salt never killed nobody. So now I'm going to use paprika and chili powder. I don't know. Should I be using more stuff? It's hard to tell. Fuck me. Why is this so hard to open? Ah. Oh, this is nice. For some reason, I really like doing that. Okay. Ooh. Now, paprika. Hope this, like I said, I'm cooking for a British boy, so I'm just hoping this isn't too spicy for him. In we go. Okay, now I'm gonna add the barbecue sauce. Should there be like a liquid in here? God, okay, this stuff is deadly. Okay, so I added like a bunch more spices on top because I thought, you know what, why not? But now I'm like, I think this, I'm just gonna put a little bit of water in it. Like, look at that. So now I'm gonna put this in the crock pot, I guess until it's ready. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to preparing the ribs. Oh my God, I literally don't know what I'm doing here. Fuck, I don't know. I'm just going for it. Okay. How I think I'm gonna do this is start with like salt, mustard base, and then I'm gonna make like a seasoning mix, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna actually, I've changed my mind. I'm gonna make like a butter mix with some of the barbecue sauce and call it a day. More butter. And now I'm gonna add this shit and probably get cancer, but you know what? At least it tastes good. More chili powder, paprika, maple syrup. I'm gonna rub these bad boys down. I think you're supposed to dry these, but that's apparently not happening. Okay. I think you're really supposed to take this membrane off, but I'm not doing it, so fuck it. Okay. There they are. Okay, I am moving on to the coleslaw. This is gonna be my least favorite part. Okay. Let's get started. I literally feel lightheaded. Guys, this is organic. Look at how big it is. Wow. This is huge. I want to give up. I really want to give up. On to the next. Whew. I want to be done. I actually want to be done. I'm also gonna add cilantro because everything needs herbs, okay? My mom's gonna kill me for cutting the cilantro like this, but I don't give a shit. Cilantro. So for the dressing, for my coleslaw, it's really honestly so simple. There's not much to it. It's gonna be olive oil, apple cider vinegar, a little bit of maple syrup, Dijon mustard, and salt. I might just go in with my hands, honestly. Oh my God, I'm also a very messy cook. That actually tastes really good. Okay, so the potatoes are still in the oven. I really, really want to get them like cooked really, really, really soft, fully through. And then all I have to do is bake and wrap them and put them in the oven tomorrow. So I'm not going to show you that part, but I will show you the finished product. And I'm also going to take you hiking with me. I'm going to take you horseback riding. I'm going to let you in on the whole weekend, and we're going to see if everyone enjoys my food. So thank you for watching me cook. Let's go. So when we got to the Airbnb, Rowan is kind of scared because the front door was open and then the downstairs basement.
I'm not scared.
Yeah, Rowan has a huge knife. And then the downstairs basement light was on, so we're going downstairs to see if anyone's down here.
Oh my happiness.
Oh my god! Wow, if you were a little kid, this would be so... Okay. Wait, what's on the bed here? What is that? Oh, I don't like this, actually.
I think there's a guinea pig down here somewhere.
This is, like, so weird. I feel like we're not supposed to be in this room. It really smells like rubbing alcohol in here. Anyways, aside from the basement, the place is really nice. Actually, this is my opinion, but I like Airbnbs where no one ever lives. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want it to look like your house. I want it to look like a vacation spot. And this part is, like, really, really beautiful, and I really like it. But why is their basement literally full of shit? Wow, that's a clean bone. So we just started our hike and I went to go get my backpack that had my Camelback in it, and my Camelback had exploded all over my shoes. So when I grabbed my shoes were soaked, literally drenched. Like, I poured the water out. And so now my whole backpack and my Camelback just emptied out. Luckily I had this in the car, but now I'm just hiking with this as my water bottle, but whatever, could be worse, I guess.
I'm being held against my will. Call 911.
Upside down Oreo. We're not holding the Oreos, Dad.
Hold the Oreo from my face.
Okay, look at how beautiful this is. Look. Look. It's so beautiful. We love. And the lighting's really nice because, like, there's so much smoke in the air. So, honestly, it's a vibe. And this is my hiking fit. And my stupid little Stanley that I have to walk around because I don't have my water bottle right now, but so magical being out here. So lucky. Don't you want to be here with me? Love it. So here we are horseback riding in Pemberton. I love being on a horse. Like I feel like a cowgirl. Like I was born and raised to be a cowgirl. I can handle a horse. I love it. So much fun. The only thing I don't like is having to wear a helmet, but whatever. So fun. My horse's name is Rocky, which I love. And he's so good. He's like, doesn't fuck around. He doesn't eat. He's fast. And it's also so pretty, like going through the... No, Rocky is the best. And yeah, we're going through the forest right now. There could be a grizzly, and in that case, we're fucked. But this is so fun. I love it. Okay, hello everyone. I am back from my weekend. I wish I could not wear a hat right now, but it's like so sunny, so I had to put my hat on. Yeah, so I'm back from my weekend. We went to Pemberton. It was so nice. We had the best weather, the best time. Everything worked out perfectly. We did a beautiful hike, which I love. The horseback riding was so much fun. I feel like I'm actually meant to like live on a horse because I love like history and everything. I feel like when I get on a horse, I truly think I'm like, this is just a connection that like we've had for like millennia, like human and horse. We've like worked in tandem. It's so like primal and instinctual. And I love horseback riding. Like I love it so much. We got to trot, we got to canter. It was like so magical. I just loved every moment of it. And also my barbecue bonanza turned out amazing. Like the ribs fell right off the bone. The pulled pork, oh my God, it was just, everything was so good. I really, really, really did the best job ever. Like I'm actually so proud of myself. Also, not connected to the weekend, but I positioned myself in here for a reason because last week I worked so hard on these plants. They had completely died. Everything was like dried up, like they were brown, dried up, completely ruined. I sat out here with, they're still here actually because I didn't clean up, my scissors, and I cut off like every single dead part of them. I put them in the sink. I watered them. I was like praying. I was like, they're so dead. Because Rowan actually, my boyfriend bought these for me. And I let them die. And I felt terrible. And I was like, oh no. But I put in the hard work. And I came back this weekend and look at them. Like, isn't that crazy? They came back to life. That was such a nice surprise coming back and seeing that. So I was really happy with that. My mom loved her weekend. It was a really, really, really nice weekend. And I'm happy that I got to share it with you guys. Hopefully I made some good content. And yeah, I can't wait to see what I do next week. And yeah, fuck, I am so good at making barbecue, I guess. It really, really, really turned out. So until next week, I'm really enjoying my new mic, my new lighting, everything I'm working on. And if you made it to this part of the video, I genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, just want to say thank you. I am so happy when I see that people watch my videos all the way through. It makes me just, I don't know, it like allows me to keep going. I'm like, oh yay, okay, someone watched it. I don't even care if it's on in the background and you're not paying attention. I'm just like, oh, thank you. Like, thanks so much. Thank you. So I hope you all have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Love you.